Tercer día, estoy muerta. Ya estamos en Animal Kingdom el día de hoy. Ya nos montamos en esa que están allá atrás, que está gritando la gente. Les muestro las fotos. Voy a tener que ponerle fotos porque no he grabado mucho, pero les voy a poner, postearles fotos del viaje como tal, porque sí hemos tomado muchas fotos. Nosotros cuando venimos a Disney, bueno, las últimas veces que hemos venido a Disney, por lo menos 2 o 3 veces, creo que 2 veces a Disney y a Universal una vez. Hemos cogido los paquetes de las fotos y quedan espectaculares. Entonces pues nos libramos de estar tomando fotos así nosotros por ahí y eso. Sí tomamos fotos nosotros mismos, pero no tantas como con los paquetes. Si vemos a alguien un empleado con la cámara, nos paramos y ellos toman las fotos, quedan muy bonitas.
No copies, they are actually related to the giraffe and not the zebra. And the way to tell is by their giraffe head-like shape. They also have this tongue called a prehensile tongue. Now that tongue will come out, wrap around a tree's branch or bush's branch, and pull the leaves off of it just like a giraffe would. Copies were also not discovered till the early 1900s, so it did take a while for them to be discovered. Off to our right side, towards the top of that hill, we do have the greater kudu. That's going to be that tannish antelope towards the top on your right-hand side.
Arriba, arriba.
Now that is going to be a female. Females don't grow any horns, whereas the males do actually. Now those horns can get to about anywhere from 2 to 4 feet tall, the spiral shape going upward. So they do get pretty massive in size. Now we do have 2 saddle-bill storks off on our right side. The female will have yellow eyes, while the male will have brown. And a cute fact about matches, once they mate, they are going to be mating partners for life. So they usually will spend a lot of time together.
Mira los cuernos arriba.
Antelopes near that greater kudu on your right-hand side. Those orange ones are called bongos. Now the male will have a darker coat, while the females will be lighter in color. And cute fact about them is their name. You get the nickname Ghost due to their very shy personalities. But now everybody can say that they officially have seen a ghost. 4-cylinder whip rod truck a little further up. And we got it. As we leave the forest, we're going to head down towards this river called Safi River. We'll see if we spot any hippos, crocodiles, or pelicans out there today. We'll need your help to see if we can spot anything out there. So keep those eyes peeled and we'll see if we spot anything. But remember guys, to stay fully seated, just as a safety reminder once again. Actually, we've got a hippo off on that right side. Hippos, they are nocturnal, but it is pretty cool to see them awake right now. Make sure everyone's bottom is staying in a seat for me guys. Now again, hippos are nocturnal. They spend about 8 minutes under the water before they gotta come up there. So you can sleep under the water, which is really cool. Elephants can also eat about 300 pounds of food a day. 300 pounds. From this diver shrimp called brine shrimp, and in those shrimps this mineral called keratin, which is the reason why those feathers turn pink. So after you eat so much of it, eventually those feathers that are white will start to turn pink. And a group of flamingos is called a flamboyance. And you'll notice that this flamboyance is actually standing on an island that's in the shape of a headed Mickey.
¿Cuál es?
Another fun little thing that I like to share.
Ah, ya está ahí.
Fíjate en una sola pata, durmiendo en una pata.
Sí.
Ellos meten el cuello como que hacia debajo del ala y se trepan en una pata. Qué animal más raro, de verdad. ¿Ah?
Las extremidades.
As we enter the western part of the savannah, be on the lookout for any rhinos, any ostriches, any antelopes, or even any big cats out there today. Now we'll see if we spot anything.
Llego.
They're up there.